Introduction to JavaScript.
Welcome back. Last time, we were introduced to functions. This time, we'll expand our understanding and get a taste of their true power. You remember that last time we created a function called drawV, which we then called like this. And every time we wrote drawV with parentheses after it, it would draw a V. However, this is only modestly useful. drawV, which we've called 4 times here, always draws the V in the same place, so it looks like we've only called it once. What we want to be able to do is define x and y elsewhere, instead of in the middle of the function. We can make it so that we feed the x and y in from the function call. This is called a function with arguments. And then we can draw another v with different x and y values. Let's be a little bit more explicit with what we mean by arguments. Basically, when you have variables within the parentheses in the function definition, that means that when you call the function, you're going to be giving it those variables. So with this first drawV, we're giving it 100 for x and 200 for y. And with this second drawV, we're giving it 100 for x and 100 for y. We've already seen this pattern once with drawCircle. We define drawCircle down here, and instead of defining x, y, and a few other things within the function, we receive them from the function call up here. Let's make those changes we talked about in drawV. First, we'll make x and y, instead of being defined within the function, make it so that they're received from the function call. Then we'll change our 3 drawVs so that they start at a different spot. The first will be at 100 and 100, like we had previously. The second we'll do at 50 and 200. So that will be starting about here. And the third we'll do 150 and 50. And let's see what that gets us. Sure enough, we can see 3 separate V's, although it is a little bit difficult to tell. So let's add the color functionality. Instead of having each of them be blue, we can have each of them be a different color. First will be blue, the second will be green, and the third will be black. There we go. Much easier to tell a difference now. Your assignment today is to give arguments to the drawL function you created last time, so that you can create them in all different places and in different colors. Next time, we'll enhance our knowledge of functions and arguments by making our drawing functions even more versatile.